forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the MTN 8, Kaizer Chiefs 0, Coronados 1. I'm joined by China.
Look, Stibo, you can take whatever that we have, but there's one thing you can take away from us as supporters, is football.
Yeah.
We were at Orlando yesterday, we're here today.
Yes,
we'll always go around and support football.
China.
Despite what I've lost. Throughout yesterday, I've lost close to 10K through my card and swiping and stuff, but I was able to block later on.
Yeah.
But you can take everything, but you look at in terms of you go to stadium supporting kids as fathers, you make saving to support your kids, but however, this is football. I won't talk much about the game, today's game. An error from Peterson is the reason why we are here. Uskostile Peterson, we can't lie about that, but however, let's give credit to Udladla with Golden Arrows. Remember that Udladla is the one who made Durban City to qualify for a top 8. Now he's with Arrows. Arrows is going to a next round, which is Udladla understand how the big teams play, and he's the giant as well. Udladla is becoming one of the coaches as Sobanazo South Africa. And then as for Upili, we have no doubt that Upili, we sold 2 players for him. But my message is one, man. Let's come to football to support football. Every minute, every game, we are losing our things. Of which our belief was like, let's take football to a next level. If I can be able to lose close to 10K just for yesterday, it means that whatever that I've been saving for football, I've lost it. But that one won't take us away from football. We'll keep on supporting football. I still say that whoever who's willing to come forward can still come forward. Yes, we are getting messages from my friends way to inbox, but no one is coming direct. And then I still believe we would see someone will come forward. You've got money. Money can be replaced, but the files that I have on my phone, you can't replace them. But I don't want to say much, but football, we'll always support football. We'll always be on the grounds. You like it or not, we won't change what we are. This is us. But I will always take my son on Orlando Stadium. Whatever that is happening on Orlando Stadium, it's not something what Esiazio. Look, Stibo, we did so much things in this football thing. I was among the people who were forward to my donations with drums in Orlando. I think we donated close to 3 drums, which costed us 6.5. What is it that we owe you?
The China man.